Without an iota of doubt, iOS 18 is feature-packed with a ton of exciting new add-ons. However, as of now, it is still a work in progress and therefore doesn't work as expected. Moreover, the latest iOS update also seems to be full of bugs. That's why you may want to downgrade from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 on your iPhone or iPad. With that said, let me show you how it's done the right way. It's worth pointing out that if you made an archived backup of your iPhone before installing the iOS 18 beta, you'll be able to remove the beta and restore the backup without any pain whatsoever. However, if you didn't make a backup of your iPhone before installing iOS 18 beta, you can't restore your iOS device to original state. Another important thing that you must know is that if you have installed watchOS 11 on your Apple Watch, you can't use it with your iPhone once you have gone back to iOS 17. Note that you can't downgrade your Apple Watch to a previous version of watchOS. If you wish to remove watchOS 11 from your Apple Watch, you'll have no other option but sending your Apple Watch to Apple. Yeah, that's extremely frustrating, but it is the bitter truth that you must deal with. To get started, you have to open Finder on your Mac, and if you're using a Windows device, you have to launch iTunes. After that, you have to connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using the supported USB cable. Then you have to put your device into recovery mode. To do so, you have to press and release the volume up button. Then you have to quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, you have to hold down the side button aka the power button until you see the connect to computer screen. Now a dialog will pop up asking if you want to restore your device. Now you have to click on the restore option to wipe your device and install the latest stable version of iOS or iPadOS. Now you have to allow the restore process to complete without any interference. And finally, you can restore a backup of your device from iOS 17 or iPadOS 17 with the help of your computer or iCloud, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can securely downgrade from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17 without any hassle at all. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.